Hello everyone, this is my channel Tally Learning World. In today's video, we will learn how to do Tally reports on browser in Tally Prime. So, before I proceed with the Tally reports on browser configuration setting, I want to give information on this. So, if you want to review the reports by using the internet, any browser where you can open www.tallysolutions.com. From that screen you can able to access the reports of Tally. You can download the report, any reports you can view till the transaction level we can drill down. So first I have created the company, so I should go with the enabling of browser access can be done from F11. We have online access. We have to ensure the option has to be set yes for enable browser access for reports. Yes, then press Ctrl A. Then from the gateway of Tally, press Alt K, go to user roles, enable the Tally.net user and set Tally.net user, press Ctrl A, again Ctrl A. Then go to gateway of Tally, Alt K, go to users and passwords, set the Tally.net user, provide the email ID for which you want to give the access and ensure that allow for browser access, set that option to yes. If you want to use the same user for remote access, you can set this option also to yes, then press Ctrl A. As I have given the browser access configuration setting has been done, to connect the company, I can go to Alt K, connect online access. I am clicking on here. So my company name is displaying. I'll just try to connect the company for my browser access. So I got a message here, connected for online access successfully. So I'll visit to the website www.tallysolutions.com. I'll try to log in with the email ID and the password. So once I log into the email ID and password, this is how my company browser report screen will be displayed. So I need to click on reports. So the company name will be displayed over here. Well, click on the company name and whichever the report you want, you can select the report. As I have given the company name alias as Krishna Company and my company name I have given as Syed Remote Access. As you can see the report, I have used the balance sheet. I can able to see my balance sheet in my Tally as well as in my browser. It remains same. So if you want to view the other report, you go to browser. Just here the escape key won't work. If you want to go back, you can just click over here. If you want to change any other report, you can just type over here in search, or else you can just go to daybook as well and you can see the reports. If you want to download any report, we have option here to call download. If you want to change the period, you can just click on the calendar. You can change the period from here as well. So hope you have understood the video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel Tally Learning World and press the bell icon and get the new updates and new videos. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, comment, share for more videos. Thank you.